How to convert MKV to MOV. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert MKV files to MOV using VideoProc Converter AI. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and reliable way to convert your video formats, this is the tool for you. VideoProc Converter AI supports a wide range of formats, making it super versatile. It can convert 4K, 8K, 120 FPS, HDR, and 10-bit MKV videos smoothly even on less robust machines. Before the start, let's download VideoProc Converter AI to your PC or Mac. You can find the download link in the comment below. Step 1. Run the VideoProc Converter and click on the Video Converter tab. Step 2. Click the plus video icon or drag and drop the MKV files or the folder that holds MKV files from the local disk. Step 3. Choose MOV as the output format from the section at the bottom. Before we proceed, you can adjust settings if you need to. But if you're good to go, just hit the Run button. That's all for today. Leave a comment below to let us know if it helps. Please subscribe and stay tuned. See you next time.